Hey, what's going on? This is Wesley Million Dollar Virgin. Let's go. In this video, listen here, I'm going to show you right now how to make up to 300 to 900 bucks per day by typing on the computer and writing, okay? Yeah, I know it sounds crazy. And guess what? I'm going to do something cool. I don't want you to like this video or sub to my channel now unless I give you value and it's something that you believe that you can do today, okay? Now understand something. There's so many ways to make money on the internet. Like, seriously. It's the reason why I have this beautiful view, because of the internet. It's millions of ways. And what I want to do in this video here, I'm going to give you so much value that you're going to say, Wesley, I love you. And Wesley, I like you. I'm going to sub. But most of all, you're going to make 300 bucks today, guaranteed. And if you watch to the very end, I'm going to give you a hack for all the lazy people, because I know there's some lazy people right now that's watching this video. I'm going to show you something that I use personally with the technique. I'm going to show you. It's a hack, okay? It's kind of a cheap way to do this. But you'll turn that 300 bucks to 900 bucks a day. Listen, my children do this. And sometimes they lazy, but they do it and it works very well for them, okay? Listen, first, this is the site that you want to go to, okay? Go to textbroker.com, okay? Textbroker.com. This is powerful. I've been using this site and I've been giving it to other people, part of my paid programming, for about a year now, right? And what's the crazy part is this. You can write content, okay? You can write content and people will pay you for the content. Does that make sense? Now check this out. Let me show you something here, all right? So you may say, well, Wesley, how does this work? Look at this. So if you go to how it works, basically you register for free. It's free to register, okay? And all you need to do is, when you write content, depending on your skill level, and I'm going to give you a hack. Like because I know what some of you guys are thinking. You might say, well, Wesley, I like this, but what if I don't know how to write? Trust me. Watch to the end. I'm going to give you a hack. Even if you are a poor writer, you failed high school, you failed English, it doesn't matter. It works and it's powerful, okay? So watch to the very end. I'm going to give you that hack. But basically, all you do is you register for free. You submit or write an example, a sample, okay? And you get your rating. And I'm going to show you at the end of the video how to get a high rating if you're like a newbie. You don't know how to write it all. Because I know that, I'm not saying that you're lazy, but I know the average person is a little lazy. So my goal is to help you make 300 bucks like in one day using this. Because I'm a self-made millionaire, but my children, they're not going to take my money. So I say, hey, you better do this to make money. And they do very well, okay? Now look, so that's all you have to do is free here. And let me show you something here. If we go to the, let's see, star rating and profiles here. If you go to star rating and profiles, so basically here, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, okay? So the thing is, depending on how well you write, you're going to get paid the money. And that's up to 300 bucks a day. Like, can you imagine making $300 a day by writing or submitting content, right, on this site, and they just paying you the money? Like, anybody can do this. It's so simple to do this. So Text Broker has been around for a while. Like I said, in the last 2 years, I've been using it personally. Then I gave it to the folks that basically pay for my different programs. But listen, don't buy nothing from me. In the description below, I have a ton of systems and programs that I help people to make more money. But I want you to at least make 4 figures a month, okay? Up to like $9,000 a month. Listen, if you make $300 a day by using Text Broker, okay, that's $9,000 a month. And anybody can do this, right? Even you. All right, so that's basically it. So how about this? How about I give you the hack, okay? How about I give you the hack Oh, let me show you this too, because you might say, well, Wesley, how do they like come up with the money, and how do they know exactly if you're going to make this $300? Listen, 7,000 words they pay you. Say if you are a 4-star. So once you submit your sample, I'm going to show you a cool hack just in case you don't know how to write, okay? And they're going to pay you with a 4-star rating up to 2 cents. That's pretty cool. But if you have a 5-star, that's 7 cents. So let's do the math here. See if I pull out my calculator here. Let's see if my calculator works. Not sure. All right. So see if we pull out my calculator here, okay? And in my calculator here, okay? Let me close some of this stuff up. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. And say if you write 6,000 words times, and that was how much? That was 7 cents, right? Times 7 cents here equals, that's $420 if you did 6,000. Does that make sense? If you did 6,000 words. Now I know what you're thinking, Wesley, that's a lot of words. How do I know how many words that I'm typing when I'm submitting? Listen, go to this site here. Okay, let me show you. You go to this site called wordcounter.net, okay? When you go to wordcounter.net, you know, boom, you paste whatever you write, and it's going to count the words for you, right? Does that make sense? Easy, easy. Now, you know what? Hey, question, do I deserve a like? Do I deserve a sub? You might say, Wesley, yeah, this was some good stuff. I'm going to like your video, but I want more. Okay, let me give you more. Let me give you the hack. Now, this hack is going to guarantee that you're not only going to do this, you're going to comment in the section below, say, Wesley, I love you. I'm a young person. I don't know anything about the internet. I'm an older person, and I'm going to make money right now. Listen, this is what you do. A lot of you that are brand new writers, or if you never wrote before, go to the site here. Go to Fiverr.com. This is the cheat way. This is the hack. Because I want to earn your like, right? I want to work for it, baby. Listen, go to Fiverr.com. Type in copywriting. This is a cheat way. It really is. And basically, pay somebody else $5. Pay $5 for an expert copywriter that does this all day, every day at Fiverr.com. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave a link below, right? When you click on it and you go here to Fiverr.com, it's going to give you the people already populated who you can pay $5 to, $10 to, right? Find a cheap person and they will do it for you. Just tell them the topic, okay? Like you can get this girl, right? Tell her the topic you want, pay her. Oh no, she's too expensive. We're not paying $75. Absolutely not. $5. There we go. Look, we can pay this guy right now $5. He will write a copy for us, right? And then what we do is we take that copy, right? We go to wordcounter.net because we want to make sure that it's enough words, copy and paste that if it's good to go. And this guy's going to check for spelling, checks for grammar, and he's going to write persuasively, right? It only costs us $5. And then we're going to submit it. And then we're going to release. Listen, I do this today with a lot of people, okay? People that are struggling financially. And I have people that's making an average between $4,000 to $8,000 per month doing this. And they're a part of some of my private groups that you'll see below. But listen, you don't need to be in my private group. You could do this. I'm giving it to you for free. And then you submit it. I would guarantee that you're going to have a 4 or 5-star rating. That means that your next copy, that you're just going to go to Fiverr again, pay $5 again, say, hey, write a topic on this, resubmit it, and now they're going to pay you 7 cents per word. And listen, you can get the copywriter guide to write as long as you want. 6,000 words, 7. It's up to you on how much money you want to make. Now, if I deserve your like, I want you to say, Wesley, I love you in the comment section below and say, I can't. Listen, you can do this today. I have my 17-year-old doing this, 15-year-old doing this, right? My children do this, okay? You can make money right now today. That's the most powerful hack I can give anybody on the planet. Go to textbroker.com. Sign up for a free account. Go to Fiverr. Pay somebody $5 to write it for you. Submit it. Get the 4 and 5-star review, right? Then your next copy that people are going to actually pay for, write a 6,000. Don't write it. Just go to Fiverr.com. Pay them $5 to write you something else. And then watch the money come in. Listen, if I deserve your like, if I deserve a sub now, go ahead and like it and sub it. Remember, this is Wesley Million Dollar Virgin. I create this free content as a self-made millionaire because I'm making money online and I'm giving you millions of ways. Just keep watching the video on the YouTube. 90% of my content is free. And the reason why people like it is because it's massive value. How many of you can do this today? Put it in the comment section below. Also, if you want me to create a video on anything else that will help you put money on in your bank account so you can have a beautiful view like this and live your dream, baby. Hey, smash the like, comment, say, Wesley, make a video for free about this. I would do it for you. Why? And I'm going to let you go. Because service leads to greatness. Let me serve you. Hey, thanks for the like. Thanks for the sub. Remember, go to Text Broker. It's super easy. You can make up to $900 easily per day, but at least $200 a day. It gets you about $4,000 per month. I have thousands of people that do this, and now I'm giving it to you for free. Hey, much love. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Later.